If you want to quickly find games on sale on itchio, this is the easiest way to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view games on sale in itchio, so you can browse discounts, discover new indie games, and save time instead of searching manually. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itchio website. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu and click Browse. This takes you to the main discovery page, where you can filter and sort through games, assets, and other content on the platform. Now that you're on the Browse page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see different filters that help narrow down what you want to see, including type, genre, tags, and price. Under the Price section, click on Sale. As soon as you select that option, itchio will automatically update the results and show you only the games that are currently discounted or being sold at a reduced price. This is a great way to find deals on indie games, support creators, and explore titles you may not have seen before. You can keep scrolling through the results, click into any game that looks interesting, and check the sale details, screenshots, and descriptions before making a decision. If you want to refine your search even more, you can combine the sale filter with other categories like genre or platform to find exactly what you're looking for. And that's it. Now you know how to view games on sale in itchio in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.